What if the cities of the future could design themselves? What if the materials we built with could heal, adapt, and breathe just like living systems? This isn't science fiction. The age of generative design and sustainable materials has begun, where powerful algorithms don't just optimize the world we imagine. They create worlds we could never have drawn by hand. For centuries, engineers relied on static plans. Every bridge, tunnel, and plant was the result of painstaking human iteration. Today, AI-driven generative design flips that script, replacing the manual process with evolutionary intelligence. By simulating millions of design variations, AI can generate structures that use less material, withstand greater stress, and integrate seamlessly with their environment. Take Autodesk's Dreamcatcher project. In a single run, one generative algorithm produced over 1,500 viable bridge designs, cutting steel use by up to 27% without compromising safety. Each design was unique, elegant, and biologically inspired. It's a paradigm shift. Form no longer just follows function. Now, form follows data. But the most advanced AI doesn't design in a vacuum. It learns from the greatest engineer of all nature. Generative models, trained on biomimicry datasets, now copy how coral reefs dissipate wave energy, how termite mounds regulate temperature, or how tree canopies manage water runoff. This process, called bio-informed generative design, merges biology and computation into a powerful partnership. At ETH Zurich, engineers used this method to 3D print a carbon-negative concrete structure that mimics bone densities, strong where needed, hollow where possible. The result: 60% less concrete, zero structural compromise, and a geometry no human could calculate by hand. Nature is no longer just our inspiration, it's our co-engineer, and this intelligence goes deeper than just the shape of a structure. Generative design extends all the way down to the materials themselves. Machine learning now helps scientists invent new compounds that are lighter, stronger, and self-sustaining. At the University of Tokyo, a neural model discovered a graphene-infused biopolymer that can self-repair minor cracks using just humidity perfect for desalination plants and offshore platforms. In Israel, a company called eConcrete developed AI-optimized marine concrete that actually encourages coral growth while resisting erosion. Every new material becomes a data-informed ecosystem, balancing strength with sustainability. The concrete of the 21st century isn't grey, it's green, porous, and alive. Think about energy. In traditional design, optimizing for energy efficiency often comes after construction. In generative design, it's baked into the blueprint from day one. AI models can now predict how sunlight, water, and airflow will move through a system long before it's built. This allows for the creation of energy-neutral facilities that emerge directly from the algorithm itself. For example, Siemens City Genius AI platform can reduce total energy consumption by up to 45% in virtual city models, all before a single brick is laid. This isn't just smart design, it's design foresight. Sustainability stops being a goal and becomes a fundamental parameter. This approach truly shines when resources are scarce, by programming environmental cost as a design constraint. AI can work to eliminate waste entirely, creating circular systems that reuse, recycle, and regenerate. In a pilot project in the Netherlands, an AI system redesigned a water pipeline grid using only repurposed steel, slashing embodied carbon by a massive 64%. At the same time, digital twins can simulate deconstruction, predicting how each component can be reused at the end of its life. We're moving away from linear construction and into an era of circular creation. So, where do humans fit into this picture? The rise of generative design doesn't erase the engineer, it augments them. Designers are evolving into curators of intelligence, guiding the algorithm toward outcomes that serve both humanity and ecology. As the AI proposes hundreds of solutions, it's the human who decides which one best aligns with our ethics, our context, and our cultural values. It's a powerful partnership. Human creativity meets machine precision. Together, we can build systems smarter than either could create alone. The future of engineering isn't about building more, it's about building better, smarter, and with a conscience. Every bridge, every wall, every plant designed through generative intelligence carries a new kind of blueprint, one written in code. Carbon and compassion. When our designs learn from life, our cities truly begin to live too. Thanks for watching. If you found this look into the future of engineering as fascinating as we do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world. We'll see you in the next one.